Where is the Grim Fapper?
Bounce.
Fapper, deliver us. Oh, hold on, guys. I'm gonna found this one.
I gotta rejoin the Discord. Oh, I'm still in it. Oh, I did it on my phone. I'm fucking stupid. Do it again. And again. And again. And again. And again. Do it again. And again. And again. And again. And again. And again. Thomas!
Boner time! Boner! Door. Gaijin Entertainment.
Gaijin!
No! No! No!
Hey, do you wanna know how they made that noise, Merrick? You wanna know how they made that noise, Merrick?
Go through it, Merrick.
I have become one with the cum.
The Zeke's game crash? No. No enemy system.
Blender and
Gaijin and Slenderman. The head?
I'm not dead, Rusty.
Oh my god, my face system.
I'm about to butt! Sorry, guys. Spare the sink in the cum.
They're coming.
Oh!
Oh.
Yeah, this sponsorship is amazing. I'm sure they're gonna be so happy they chose us. What's up, guys? I'm in the cum.
Oh, my cum!
Oh, God.
I had to reabsorb.
Join Training Fitness and get energized with fitness that fits your budget.
Bro, try to back, he's mine!
Help.
Oh, I hope Merrick dies.
Yo.
What the hell? My balls.
Terrorist! Terrorist!
Terrorist! Bomb them?
What is that? Hey, there's a new monster.
Hold on. What did
Let it,
What did do,
guys.
Dovsky?
Ow!
Oh, fuck! He just shat all over us. Oh my god.
Wait,
Wait, I'm out of stamina.
Go eat.
Wait, where's he going?
Merrick, you want a flash?
Piggyback ride!
Hey guys!
Piggyback ride!
We need to talk about our sponsor, Friendship, a delicious energy drink. That's it. Alright guys, energy drink.
Rod,
For the sponsorship.
Go get the dog.
Your game
energy
sucks.
drink.
We're in
Look at
copper.
me.
Hey guys, we're gonna.
I'd like to thank our sponsors. Once again, I'd like to thank our sponsors, Red Bull. Record this, bro.
Help me!
Willie's dead!
Oh, how do I flip the camera around? I don't know how to flip the camera around. What the fuck? Oh, that's it!
Help me, Ezekiel McCone! He's coming!
I'm coming!
I'm about to die. Oh.
Ah! No! Escape! I am in grave danger. I may or may not die.
Ezekiel, okay. Oh, it's a dog.
I hear it laughing.
Hey, you look
Fucking.
Did I just get a second restaurant, bro?
Not what I thought it would be, though.
Guys, I turned on my Minecraft shaders so it looks a little different. Look at Minecraft. I don't know.
Why are footsteps so
Look to
fucking
the
loud?
puppy.
Doggy, 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 doggy,
Go
doggy,
give it a
doggy,
hug,
doggy.
go give it a hug,
I'm gonna
Sean.
pet the, I'm gonna pet the doggy, I'm gonna pet the doggy, I'm
Go
gonna pet the doggy.
give the dog a hug.
Hi, doggy! Hi, doggy!
Yo, this content is fire. Content warning.
Help, please!
Run! Ah! Run away!
Shit.
Who is that? You coward or something? Get out here!
I feel like that's pretty obvious.
Where's
Yo,
Puppy?
content? Content? Hey, look at bone. Content? Jump. Oh.
I think.
What was
What's
that?
that?
What was that?
What is that?
Zeke, it's right there!
It's Merrick! Run away!
There's a little dude! Guy.
Run
Screaming
away!
guy.
There's
nothing there! Guys, there's nothing there!
In like a password.
We know.
Welcome to Jackass.
Hello.
Boy.
Blender!
Oh, hey, it's the blender.
Blendussy.
Yeah. Where's Guy?
Where Guy
Or
Entertainment?
Look at my bone. Where?
I don't know. Guy Entertainment!
Hi! Blender Man. What the fuck is that?
It's not new at all. Oh my, he's
What
trying
is
to touch
it?
me.
I've
Help.
never seen that.
He's trying to spear my balls.
Blender Man!
Oh my god. Oh!
Blend Man.
There's Barnacle Boy right here.
Where's Mermaid Man?
Barnacle Boy. Question.
Kind of an L, Merrick, if you died. Oh, hey, look, Blender Man. Oh, you're not dead. I was just making fun of you on the camera. Where are you?
Guys, no, God, my life is over. Please, no.
Stop it, that's gay! Gay! You touched me! Guess I'm back to playing Project Onboard.
Hey Zeke, you know that?
Hello? Hola? Oh, he's dead. Oh, Boner Town.
Haha, Luther! Luther! Oh. Gay sex attack! No! Where Gaijin Entertainment? Penis!
Gaijin.
Why are you so vulgar?
Shit! Oof! Oof!
Gaijin.
Tis a
See a
minor
gussy
flesh
ball
wound.
sack. Virgin. Gaijin
There's a snake.
Entertainment! Taylor, go get some head.
Oh yeah, it's so good! It's so good! It's so good!
We're getting Gaijins right now. Bro's got Gaijins.
Bro's
What
dead!
was that Gaijins? I'm
El Bozo! My head was too good, apparently.
Zeke, you're going to spider? Oh, he's touching my balls. Record my boner.
What do you mean, record your boner?
I just gotta.
You die. Oh, I cannot see any of that.
Boner Town.
And Vanderlyn, I'm always by your side. When Arthur, Vanderlyn, I'm always
Let me
by
out!
your side. Poker plans.
Hey
I've
there,
got
little
a
guy.
plan,
How's it
Arthur.
going?
Vanderlyn, I'm always by your side. Cage, rib cage, rib cage. Well,
Double boner, hell yeah.
There's literally a spinal
Ezekiel
cord.
Lacone has a small penis. Nah, bro.
Oh, what the fuck?
Fuck! Jesus Christ! Most real died. Is that Gaijin Entertainment? For real? Yes. Fuck, and dog. Shit. Oh, I might die, guys. I'm sorry, Lord, for I have sinned. Please forgive me. He got him, by the way.
Get our views. Probably got enough views. God. My nigga dead.
It's not your turn to record!
Yeah!
Give me your balls. Give me your balls.
Which one gets it?
Okay.
Boner down!
Wait.
Who's bouncing around?
I think he
Ah!
How are you
alright.
alive?
Oh my god. He's actually. Curtis actually killed himself. That's crazy.
Idiot.
What the fuck is that
hello?
sound? What was that?
Hello? Bro's dead. Bro's dead. Bro's dead. Hello, guys? Oh, fuck. What the fuck is... Damn. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh shit, I'm sorry, man. Try not to be shy about it, man. Oh, man. Oh, fuck, bro.
Oh wait, is everyone else dead?
What? What? What?
Wait, he
Camera.
stole the camera. Well guys, everyone died, and that was our review of Creepy Ass Factory in the Void. Goodbye.
Just math. So.
Where cock? Where cock?
Get away from
Stop
him, bro.
sexing, gay. Get your dick out of me, Where's?
Hey Zeke, you're alone, I think.
You guys have a belt too?
What? There's
You
Gaijins
know the
there, though.
Gaijins.
Yo,
Oh, my legs!
I just.
You're forced to.
Hey, my god.
Ah! Penis! Penis! Penis!
Penis, penis, penis.
Ah! Scar!
No, 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 no.
What a loser! Loser!
Loser! My body.
Loser!
That was literally.
Ah!
That was no longer.
Town, Boner
I don't
Town.
want to look at your
Boner
phone.
Town.
No,
Jorby!
this game I have him. Don't. Oh.
Hey, look.
What?
Well, this isn't the way back. This isn't the way back. Unless you
Yeah,
see
look
the
at this fucking
big,
loser
big
behind
guy.
Boner Town.
Gaijin entertainment. Shit! Oh, nah. Jorby!
Oh, there's a snail there, I think. Yeah, there's a snail.
Jorby!
Yeah!
Just kidding you, bro.
I had a shortcut, Merrick. I went to
Yo, why can I hear Talon?
I think you might have the mic sync stuff.
Destin, bro. I could. Does he have? Oh yeah, it's so much. What the fuck? I'm dead. It's not your turn to record, Zeke.
I figured out how to challenge the flashlight.
It's not your turn to record.
Yeah, you just tried your flashlight by standing outside. It's
No,
not
no,
your
Merrick,
turn.
Merrick, no,
It's
no,
not
Merrick,
your turn.
Merrick.
Your turn to record, Zeke.
You charge it by this thing. Stand next to this thing, Merrick.
Murder on the building. This is crazy, man. This is crazy, man. This is crazy, man.
Alan, no flashlight. Mac, where's Gaijin? Where's Gaijin? I think bro died. Oh no, he didn't. Where's Gaijin? Where is Patrick Star?
Patrick Star.
Gaijin!
Gaijin. I found some Gaijin.
Gaijin!
Gaijin numero uno. Dos. No, it's Gaijin.
Hey,
Dos.
Talon found his
Dos
way back.
Gaijin.
Yo, back, quick. We have to make it. We have to do a review.
Guys, you should come back.
Alright, record. Are you recording?
Talon's a bitch ass midget man.
Oh, it's so good! It's so good! It's so
Get
good!
out there!
It's so good!
That is so
Get out
good.
there! You go.
Whoa!
Yo, we can pick that up, actually. We can pick that up. Ah! Doggy! Run. Stop blocking the damn he's coming this way.
No, not him, not him, not him, not him, not him, not him! No, no. No, let me go, let me go, let me go, let me go, please, please, please! Run, run, 60, run! Get him! No, no, no! Get!
Bro, he's literally outside. Well, guys, I think Zeke might be dead.
Why?
Wait, I want to grab
Hey,
something. Where is
wait, give
it?
me the camera. I want to do something.
There's a grabby guy out.
Oh, hey, it's grabbing.
Oh, spider! Wait.
7 meters.
Oh,
You're back.
He's in the camera. Gun dog. No! Oh my god, no! Please! It's gonna get me killed. Help! Help me! Help me!
Get in.
Close the door, please!
Why aren't you recording? Why aren't you recording? Why aren't you recording?
Are you recording this, bro? Record.
Where'd you go? Hey, look, a barnacle. Yo, it's the hack slinging slasher. It's a hack slinging slasher. Yo,
Oh god, look out, it's Gaijin!
Snail, it's Gaijin.
Ow! Help me! Help me! Help! Please help me! Help!
Fucking cock right now, I mean...
He's dead. Never mind, I got you.
Yo, what... Did he give good head?
Yo, he's hella dead. I'm gonna be honest. 2%. Hello.
Penis.
I'm smoking. Damn it, man! Stop with the fucking music.
Skull.
Oh!
May I explain the music again? You're literally playing it right now.
Yo, it's Gaijin.
I want you guys to have my money.
No money, no money, no money.
Bro. Becky's literally right behind you.
What do we do?
Going.
Alright, guys.
God, come!
Yo, that's the glue ball, bud. Oh, guys. Oh my god.
No way, bro. Wow, nah.
Did you guys record the bar in the good, by the way?
Show me! This is how I gotta wish the guy.
Oh my god, stop.
Sorry.
Else other than you.
Come on.
The thing I like about this. Yo, look up, watch out for it.
Alright, take my camera.
Watch it!
Hey, can you help him? Can you help him?
That didn't work.
Help him, bro?
Oh,
There we go.
Saved you, Aiden.
otherwise, Jack.
I hate that it's fucking invisible.
How we save him? How we save him?
Help! Help! I'm okay.
Where?
Where's Gaijin?
Gaijin? Just so you know, I was recording myself. Oh my god, he died!
Aiden.
dead! What the fuck is that? What is that? Ow! No! Oh god, it's that thing! What the fuck?
Yes.
Ah! Run!
Oh, he's coming back. Run away.
Run!
Down.
Laser, Yo, what?
Hey, machine gun gone. Machine gun dog.
Doggy.
What?
Penis! No, not him! Oh god! No! Man! Oh my god! He just got the dog. Ah! How'd he do that? Go! Why? Zeke, run!
He did.
Guaranteed to set us to the same one with Yeah,
It's for content.
YOLO!
Catch the.
go
Catch this drive.
Yeah!
Hell.
Wow. What was it?
Oh my gosh, Aiden! Hello. Bauna. The spiller.
No, this.
Little bitch, you're gay. Hey, can
What?
you be my friend?
What is that? What is that?
Get off of me! Get off of me! I'm okay. Whip cage, whip cage. Kirby! Oh gosh. Gaijin Entertainment? I didn't know you were in this game. That's crazy, bro.